Hey, what's up, everybody? This is your boy named Chikwamo Tree. If you're here watching this video right now, it's because you want to learn how to make money online with affiliate marketing. And the reason why you're watching this video is because you want to learn how to make money online with affiliate marketing. And I'm going to show you a free traffic method that nobody has been talking about. And I know that you're struggling right now and you're looking to quit your 9 to 5 job and you're looking for a better option, a better opportunity, and a better life, right? So I feel you on that one. But if you continue to subscribe and hit that notification bell as well, and give me a thumbs up, it lets YouTube know that you're interested about how to make money online with affiliate marketing. So without that being said, guys, let's just head over right now. All right, guys. So as you see on the screen right now, you can see this website called ClickBank, and ClickBank has been around for over 20 years, and it's been phenomenal. And basically, guys, ClickBank is simple. If some of you guys who probably don't know about ClickBank, let me just give it. Let me just get straight to it, and let me just tell you about it. So ClickBank is an affiliate marketing network where you, as an affiliate, can make money. So basically, as an affiliate marketer, you promote other vendors' products and services and make a commission. So if a customer decides to buy, if you promote one of the vendors' products and you start driving traffic to that product, and a customer sees one of your customers sees your link and they like the content of the website, they're most likely going to click on your link and then mostly going to buy. Okay, not every customer that will buy right away, but that's if you can show value. Because if you give them value, that's how you can get them to buy the product right away. Okay, so just like I said, this is 100% free. I don't charge for doing affiliate marketing. This is how step by step tutorial I'm going to show you how to do this from scratch. All right. So with that being said, guys, let's get right into it. So what you're gonna do, guys, is pretty simple and easy. Learning how to sign up with ClickBank. All you have to do is just click the Start Here button, answer some questions. If you don't feel like going through the quiz questions, you can click the skip this quick start guide, and then it's gonna take you over there to ClickBank form, and you're gonna fill out your details. So make sure you put all in your details correctly because ClickBank want to know who they're gonna pay out to. Okay, so it is very important to do that because if you don't do that and you put in the fake information, your account will not be approved. Okay? So always be aware of that and make sure you put your right information. Because if you don't, then ClickBank is not going to approve you. Okay? Because if you do that, then how ClickBank is going to approve your account? Okay? How are they going to pay you if you're not a real human? You have to be a real human so they can pay you. Okay? Because your name has got to be the same. Okay? As you like your name has got to be the same as a bank account. Okay, so just like that. All right, y'all. So that being said, let me just log in and show you some products that we're gonna promote. Okay, so I'm gonna show you some right now that this is gonna help you out. Okay, so if I log in right now, just give me a minute. Okay, give me one moment. All right, there you go. All right, so we're gonna hit the marketplace real quick. Okay, and once we hit the marketplace, and then we're gonna go for the health and fitness, okay? Because health and fitness is the most important thing that we want to see on here, okay? So we're gonna pick the health and fitness, all right? And we're gonna sort this by, let me move myself out the way. We're gonna sort this by low, gravity, and high, okay? All right, no, let's go back. All right, there we go. All right, so let me move myself back over here. All right, guys. So what you see on the screen right now, these we in the marketplace. So basically, you can see different categories that we can pick. Okay, so we have to pick and choose which category that we got. Okay, so we can pick a niche that we really like and pick a product that we really like. because this product right now is really kicking the butt right now. So we're gonna promote the alley. We're gonna promote the alpaline uh, product. That's for people for diet. So basically, like it's basically for women and men. It's for men and women who wants to lose weight, but basically it's for women who wants to lose weight. They're trying to lose weight for the beginning of 2023. So in this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can get this traffic. I'm going to show you how to get this link, and then we're going to drive traffic to it. Okay. So I'm going to show you that in just a moment. So just give me a moment. Okay. Because if you can just bear with me and just follow instructions, then maybe you'll make some good money, okay? So we're gonna promote. We're gonna hit the promote button, and then we're gonna say our tracking ID is gonna be Pinterest, okay? The tracking ID is gonna be Pinterest. Okay. Yep. Then we're gonna generate hot link, and then we're gonna copy that, and then we're gonna come over to a website called Linktree, okay? So I will leave the link in the description for you guys, so you guys can sign up for free and register your account for free. Okay, this is a link tree shortener. So basically, we don't want to direct link to Pinterest because Pinterest doesn't allow that. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a new link. Okay, and this is something right here, and I'm going to add a new link. I'm going to paste it. Okay, see, it doesn't allow that, so we have to shorten this out. So basically, what we're going to do, we're going to go to a website called Bitly real quick because we're going to shorten that out real quick, okay? So let's go to a website called Bitly real quick, okay? We're going to shorten this out together, all right? Just bear with me 1 second, guys. Bear with me. All right. So now we're going to create a new link. We're going to paste our link right here, and then we're going to hit enter, okay? All right. And then we're going to copy, and then we're going to put this in here. So we're going to edit, and then we're going to put our new link right here. Bam. Okay, but this not going to let me do nothing. Okay, hold on. All right, we're going to have to use tinyURL. So give me 1 moment. I'm sorry about that. We're going to have to go to tinyURL because it's not going to let us direct link. So let me see something. tinyURL. Okay. So let me go back to ClickBank, copy, and then click paste. Okay. All right. And then we're going to copy. Then come back to Linktree, and then we're going to paste our link right here. Okay. Paste our link. All right. Okay. And there we go. Now it's in there. All right. So now since we got that in there, so now we can go ahead and double check that. All right. So since it's in there, guys, this is going to be an official website. So basically, they can like any customer see this, they can click which one they want, and then we're going to put our affiliate there. Okay. You hear me, guys? So we close that. So now the next thing we want to do now, want to come over here, want to copy. Let me move myself out the way. All right, and then what we want to do, want to come over here. Then we want to come to Pinterest, and then we want to. Oh yeah, so basically, guys, this is the Pinterest that I just created. So I just created a new Pinterest business account. So basically, and I do have a personal business that I do as usual. So yeah, so basically, um, when you first start out with Pinterest, guys, Pinterest do not allow affiliate links. Okay, they do not like direct linking because if you direct linking, they will automatically ban your account immediately. So you do not want to do that. Okay. So you do not want to do that. So you always want to be professional. Okay. Always be professional because you want to keep it professional and unique because Pinterest do not allow direct linking. You have to have a landing page or you have to have a squeeze page or you have to have an article. Okay. You have to have a blog because they do not like direct linking because if they see you direct linking, that means you want to get your account banned and you won't able to make another Pinterest account unless you create a new email and then have to create a whole new one. So you want to just watch yourself doing that, okay? So always watch yourself doing that. All right, so I ain't gonna take too much of your time. So what I'm going to do, um, guys, I'm going to give me one moment and I'll be right back. I have to put something in the description so I have to fix something up. I forgot to do that. So just bear with me for a minute, guys, and I'll be right back, okay? Do not go nowhere. All right, guys. So I just completed that right now. So basically what I said, healthy keto is for people who wants to lose weight beginning in 2023. All right, so since we're done with that now, so we can create a pin. So basically, what we're going to do, actually, we could create a business idea. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to a website. Okay, I'm going to go to a website called. Give me one moment. I'm going to go to a website called uh, TikTok because TikTok is the best way to get traffic, organic traffic, but you can take people's videos and turn them into your own video. Okay, yeah, we're going to use business ideas for this method. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do keto, keto diet, or keto. I just put healthy, healthy keto. Okay, and then we look for videos. We're gonna look for videos. Okay. So basically, we're gonna look for a good video that got the most. Uh, oh, okay, this is a keto recipe. So we're gonna do this one then. Let's do this one. All right. So we're gonna do this one. We're gonna take this one got the most views. 5.1 mil. So we're gonna copy this one. Okay. And then we're gonna go to Google. Okay. We're gonna go to Google, and then we're gonna type in TikTok. Okay. Type in TikTok, and then we're gonna paste that in here. Download. Okay. Without the watermark. Let's do it without the watermark 3. All right. There we go. All right. So we just did that. So now we're done with that. So now what we need to do now, we can upload this on Pinterest. So now what we're going to do now, we're going to upload this on Pinterest. So basically, we're going to create a Pinterest. We're going to go to Pinterest, create an idea pin. So that's what we're going to do. Okay. And we're going to create that. And then we're going to drop the video over here. And then we're going to call this title the healthy keto plan. The we're going to say keto. We're going to say healthy keto recipe. Recipes. Okay. And then We're gonna say keto recipes. We're gonna say keto diet. Okay. And then we're gonna say keto no carb diet. And we're gonna say weight loss. Hold on, weight loss. Weight loss and lunch or dinners recipes. This is gonna help us get the top rank. See, guys, you guys don't understand, but this is definitely gonna help you when you put in keywords like tags, like topics, stuff to come up, and then because it gives you it tells the customers to go click on your link. Okay, so all right, and then that's about it. And then we can add more details, but we don't have to. So we don't have to add more details to that. So basically, we can just organize the board to the board, but we don't have to do that. So we're going to say recipes. Oops. We're going to say like healthy recipes, and then keto keto recipes. We're going to say keto meal plan. Hold on. I say hmm, recipes. See. All right. So we got all that. So now, guys, now we can publish this and make this publish. Okay. So we got it, and now what we're gonna do is just place it. All right, and it's gonna upload this page. So just give it a minute, and then it should be done to go. It should be already set. Okay. So without that being said, guys, there we go. So now we created our pin. We created our idea pin. So now it's gonna take us up there, and it's going to lead them to our affiliate to our link. Okay, so that's how you want to do it. Okay, this is going to help people make money online. Okay, this is going to help you make money online for the very first time, guys. So, without that being said, guys, I want to just say thank you for allowing me to do this video step by step. And if you ever want my number one recommendation on learning how to make $300 per day just by building your email list, you can go ahead and click that first link down below, and make sure you stay tuned to that. Okay, so go ahead and click that first link, and watch the 4-minute video that's going to explain you about how does the list building works, so you can start generating some cash flow straight to your bank account, and it pays instantly directly to your account. Okay, so without that being said, guys, my name is Jaquan Moultrie, and I'll see you guys on the other side. All right, y'all, peace.